Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Learn Math with Sir Mark, and in this video, I'm going to discuss a random problem in geometry which is taken from the 13th Philippine Mathematical Olympiad, area stage, item number 18. So, let's begin. It says here, a circle with center C and radius R intersect the square EFGH at H and at M, the midpoint of EF. If C, E, and F are collinear, and E lies between C and F, what is the area of the region outside the circle and inside the square in terms of R? Okay, actually I already made an illustration using GeoGebra. Okay, so let's find out if my illustration will fit the description of the problem. Okay, again, sabi sa problem, meron daw circle and a square. They intersect at points H and M, okay, such that M is the midpoint of E and F. Okay, then it also says in the problem that the point C, which is the center, and the vertices E and F are collinear, such that E lies between C and F. Okay, now the question here is, what is the area of the region outside the circle but inside the square in terms of R? So technically, we're looking for the area of this region. Okay, so now na-mention sa problem that the radius is R. So in fact, we're going to express the area in terms of the radius. So let me connect the radius. Okay, so here. Okay, now let me label it as R. Now, what I'm going to do here is to let the side of the square as 2x. Okay, why 2x? So that if I'm going to represent EM, so since midpoint yan, so this will become x. See that? Okay, again, M is the midpoint of the side EF. Now, so since CM, okay, CM is also radius, okay, therefore, the length of CE is R minus X. See that? Again, the length of CE is R minus X. Okay, so now, in addition, kung 2x yung side ng square, therefore, the side EH is also 2x. Okay, then, from here, we can say that the triangle CEH is a right triangle. So, therefore, by Pythagorean theorem, I can have R squared equals R minus X to be squared, okay, plus 2x to be squared. Okay, so let's expand this one. R squared equals R squared minus 2RX, okay, plus X squared plus 4X squared. Okay, so let's continue. R squared yan. R squared minus 2RX plus 5X squared. Okay, so obviously, okay, maka-cancel natin yung X squared, R squared dito. Right? So what will be left here is, okay, so lipat ko to on the left side. So that will be 2RX equals 5X squared. Okay, so syempre, bawal 0 yung X, okay, since 2x is aside, so therefore, I can simply cancel x here. Okay? Agree? So, what will be left here is the value of x. So, that is, my x here is actually equal to, okay, equal to 2r over 5. Okay? 2r over 5. So, meaning to say, if, okay, so my 2x now will be 4r over 5. Right? And in addition, so yung length ng CE ko, which is R minus X, is actually equal to R minus 2R over 5 is actually 3R over 5. There you go. Okay? Again, meron na akong length ni CE. Meron na akong length ng 2X, ng EH, and I already have the value of X. Okay. So, now note that again, ang goal natin is to get the area of this. Alright? So, the area of this region. So to do that, okay, so I'm going to get the area of the square, okay, area ng square yan, minus area ng portion na to, okay, yung mix ni red and blue. Okay, but note that yung area na to is actually the area of this sector. See that? Area ng sector na to minus yung area ng triangle CHE. See that? Again, to get the area of this region, so that's simply the area of the square minus the area of the sector. Alright, area ng sector minus yung area ng triangle, okay, triangle CEH. Alright, triangle CEH. Okay, so since the side of the square is 2x, so therefore that's simply 4r over 5 to be squared, right? So that's 4r over 5 to be squared. Okay, now note that yung formula ng area ng sector is actually equal to 1/2 theta r squared, where theta is in radian. Okay, by the way, this is my theta. Okay, the angle. Okay, so area ng sector na to. Okay, so then, subtract natin sa area ng triangle CEH. Okay, so since meron akong length ng base, meron akong height, so that's simply 1/2 the base CE, again, which is 3r over 5. See that? That's 3r over 5 times the altitude, okay, which is 2x, or 4r over 5. Okay. Okay, now, so this 4 over 5 to be squared will become 16r squared over 25. Okay, minus 1/2, okay, theta r squared. Okay, then, notice, pwede ko na i-cancel tong 4 and 2. Alright, cancel yan. This will become 2. So, that will be negative, that will become positive 6r squared over 25. And notice, we can actually combine the first and the third term. So 16 plus 6, that will be 22r squared over 25. Okay? Minus 1/2 theta r squared. So this is actually your area. Okay, but ang sabi sa problem, you have to express the area in terms of r. Okay, so notice I can actually factor out r squared here, right? Okay, now, that will be, okay, r squared, wala na akong space, r squared, then this one will become 22 over 25. I hope nababasa pa. Okay, minus 1/2 theta. Again, ang sabi sa problem, yung area mo should be in terms of r lang. Okay, so you have to express theta in terms of r as well. So now, let's go back to triangle CEH. Note that I already have CE. Okay, meron na tayong CE which is 3r over 5. Okay, meron na akong CEH which is 4r over 5. So therefore, from here, we know that tangent theta, okay, yung tangent theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. So that is 4r over 5 all over 3r over 5. And clearly, makakancel ko dyan ngayon yung r over 5. Right? So therefore, so since, again, you have to express theta in terms of, dapat number lang yan or in terms of r. So therefore, so, yung theta natin dito is actually equal to arctangent of 4 over 3. See that? So, therefore, the final answer here, hindi dapat theta to. So, it should be, ito, arctangent of 4/3. There you go. So, that's the area of this region. Okay? The area of the region outside the circle but inside the square. Okay? So I hope you learned something on this video. So if you think you can learn more on my videos, so please subscribe and share it to your friends. Okay, stay safe. Until next time.